In this short tutorial, you will learn how to stop people from sending friend requests on Facebook. Have you ever received friend requests from people you don't know or don't want to connect with? It can be annoying and intrusive. Fortunately, there's a simple way to prevent this. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Once you are on this page, scroll down, and you'll see a section called Audience and Visibility, and in that section, you'll see an option called How People Find and Contact You. Just tap on it. Now you'll see an option called Who Can Send You Friend Requests, and it's set to everyone. This means everyone who uses Facebook can send you friend requests. To stop people from sending friend requests on Facebook, simply tap on this and select Friends of Friends. Now only friends of your friends can send you friend requests. You can also make your friends list private if you want. To do that, tap over here and select Only Me. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.